So I bought Robinhood stock at $32 a share.
Okay.
And it dropped as low as $7, and I doubled down, and I bought more.
Oh.
The reason it went down was because I told Jack that I bought Robinhood, and he immediately goes on his phone, buys it. Immediately. And I kid you not, the day he bought it.
Once that's a 10.
And I told Jack on the podcast, I'm like, dude, you gotta sell the stock. And he says, I'll flip a coin, and if it's heads, I'll sell. If it's tails, I'll keep it. I said, that's fine. He flips it. Sure enough, he has to sell the stock. He sells the stock. The next day, it's up 10%.
Dude.
The next day, there was a big announcement that they received an investment.
At first, you were telling me kind of a joke, but you genuinely believe this.
Yes.
So is Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD, something that I would look at? So as of January 17th, their last price was $48.50. And really the price is something you don't really care to look at. Most places allow you to buy fractional shares, so the price isn't something that should bother you. Looking at the past year, they've gone up by a lot. They've actually gone up 340% this past year. So you would definitely be buying high. And you look at the 5-year range, really from 2022 to almost the beginning of 2024, they didn't really have any movement going on. And they've really started jumping up starting in 2024 this past year. The PE ratio is 83.02, which is high, but at least it does mean that they have been making money, which is good because previously they weren't. Looking at some other data, the profit margin's pretty good, relatively reasonable within their industry. The revenue's not bad. Their quarterly growth has been really good. I like how their cash is more than their debt. So potentially overall not a bad. Again, I'm not arguing for buying the stock or not. Just know that if you are looking to add Hood to your portfolio, you would be buying pretty much at their peak. You'd be definitely doing that buying high and putting at high risk for some potential losses there. Personally, I'm not adding them into my portfolio. Their PE ratio is a bit too high for me. Anyway, hope you like this, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.